Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mr. Sun. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large circle. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then color them both in black. Now underneath for the mouth, we'll start with a line across, and then a curve underneath. And color the mouth in black as well. And that's it for the face. Next, let's move out and let's draw the rays of the sun. Let's start on top and let's draw 2 angles meeting up at a point. And the same thing at the bottom. Now top out and let's draw another set going out from the sides. And then one more on each of the 4 corners. And that's it for Mr. Sun. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!